In today's lecture, we are going to explore one of the most powerful development boards in the Arduino ecosystem, the Arduino Mega 2560. In this video, we will understand the architecture of the Arduino Mega 2560, the Mega 2560 microcontroller, power and connectivity features, digital and analog input-output pins, communication interfaces, memory architecture, and real-world applications of this powerful microcontroller platform. So let us begin. Introduction to Arduino Mega 2560. The Arduino Mega 2560 is a high-performance microcontroller development board designed for projects that require more memory, more pins, and more communication interfaces than smaller boards like the Arduino UNO. It is built around the Mega 2560 microcontroller, which provides greater computational capability and hardware resources. Compared to the Arduino UNO, the Mega board offers a significantly higher number of input and output pins, larger program memory, multiple hardware serial communication ports. Because of these capabilities, the Arduino Mega is often used in complex systems such as robotics controllers, 3D printers, industrial automation prototypes, and large sensor networks. Mega 2560 microcontroller. At the heart of the Arduino Mega 2560 is the Mega 2560 microcontroller. This is an 8-bit AVR microcontroller developed by Microchip Technology. The microcontroller operates at a clock frequency of 16 MHz, which means it executes millions of instructions per second. One of its major advantages is the large number of pins, with the chip providing up to 100 physical pins. These pins allow the microcontroller to connect to a wide range of external devices, including sensors, actuators, communication modules, and display systems. Because of its powerful architecture and large pin count, the Mega 2560 is suitable for high-complexity embedded applications. Power management and connectivity. The Arduino Mega operates using a 5-volt operating voltage, which is compatible with most digital sensors and modules used in embedded systems. The board can be powered in multiple ways. The most common method is through the USB connection, which allows the board to receive power directly from a computer while also enabling programming. Alternatively, the board can be powered using an external power supply through the DC barrel jack, typically with a voltage range of 7 to 12 volts. Internally, voltage regulators convert this input voltage into the stable 5-volt supply required by the microcontroller and other onboard components. The USB-B connector also provides serial communication between the board and the computer, allowing programs to be uploaded easily. Digital input and output pins. One of the most important features of the Arduino Mega is its large number of digital input and output pins. The board provides 54 digital pins, labeled from D0 to D53. These pins can be used to interface with various digital devices such as LEDs, switches, relays, motors, and digital sensors. Among these pins, 15 pins support pulse width modulation, commonly known as PWM. PWM allows the board to simulate analog output signals by rapidly switching digital signals on and off. This feature is widely used for motor speed control, LED brightness adjustment, and servo motor control. Each digital pin can safely handle a current of around 20 mA, which is sufficient for most control applications. Analog input pins. The Arduino Mega also provides 16 analog input pins, labeled from a 0 to a 15. These pins are used to read analog signals from sensors such as temperature sensors, gas sensors, light sensors, and pressure sensors. Inside the microcontroller, there is a 10-bit analog-to-digital converter, or ADC. This ADC converts analog voltages between 0 and 5 volts into digital values ranging from 0 to 1023. This means the board can measure analog signals with reasonable accuracy for most IoT and embedded applications. The availability of 16 analog pins makes the Arduino Mega especially useful for large sensor networks and data acquisition systems. Communication interfaces. Communication is an important part of embedded systems. The Arduino Mega supports several communication protocols that allow it to interact with other devices. One key feature is the availability of 4 hardware serial communication ports. These serial ports allow the board to communicate simultaneously with multiple devices such as GPS modules, GSM modules, Bluetooth modules, or other microcontrollers. The board also supports the I2C communication protocol, which uses only 2 wires, the SDA data line and the SCL clock line. I2C is commonly used to connect sensors, displays, and memory devices. Another important communication protocol is SPI, or Serial Peripheral Interface. SPI enables high-speed data transfer between the microcontroller and devices such as SD cards, Ethernet modules, and display controllers. These communication interfaces make the Arduino Mega extremely versatile for complex systems. Memory architecture. The Arduino Mega provides significantly larger memory resources compared to smaller boards. It includes 256 kilobytes of flash memory, which is used to store the compiled program code. A portion of this memory is reserved for the bootloader, which allows programs to be uploaded through the USB interface. The board also contains 8 kilobytes of SRAM, which is used to store variables and temporary data during program execution. In addition, it includes 4 kilobytes of EEPROM, which is a non-volatile memory that retains stored data even when the power is turned off. This memory can be used to store configuration settings, calibration data, or system parameters. Other important components. Several supporting components ensure the proper functioning of the Arduino Mega board. One important component is the Amiga 16U2 chip, which acts as a USB to serial converter, enabling communication between the microcontroller and a computer. The board also includes an ICSP header, which allows direct programming of the microcontroller without using the bootloader. A reset button is provided to restart the program manually during debugging or testing. Finally, the 16 MHz crystal oscillator provides precise timing for the microcontroller, ensuring stable operation and accurate communication. Arduino Mega versus Arduino UNO. When comparing the Arduino Mega with the Arduino UNO, the Mega clearly offers significantly greater resources. For example, the Arduino Mega provides 54 digital pins, while the UNO offers only 14 digital pins. The Mega has 16 analog inputs, whereas the UNO has only 6 analog inputs. In terms of memory, the Mega provides 256 kilobytes of flash memory, compared to 32 kilobytes in the UNO. Additionally, the Mega supports 4 hardware serial ports, while the UNO has only 1. Because of these advantages, the Mega is ideal for large-scale projects requiring many sensors, actuators, and communication modules. Applications of Arduino Mega 2560. The Arduino Mega 2560 is widely used in many advanced applications. In 3D printers and CNC machines, it controls multiple stepper motors, temperature sensors, and limit switches. In advanced robotics systems, it manages complex control algorithms for robotic arms and autonomous vehicles. In home automation systems, the board acts as a central controller connecting multiple sensors, relay modules, and communication devices. These applications highlight the versatility and power of the Arduino Mega platform. Closing. Thank you for watching this lecture.